Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Elasticsearch to Kibana step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have both Elasticsearch and Kibana installed on your system. Open your terminal or command prompt. First, check if Elasticsearch is running by entering the command curl-x get localhost 9200/. If Elasticsearch is not running, navigate to your Elasticsearch installation directory and start it by executing the command /bin/elasticsearch. Once Elasticsearch is operational, open a new tab in your terminal for Kibana. Navigate to your Kibana installation directory. Start Kibana by running the command /bin/kibana. After a few moments, open your web browser. Enter the URL http://localhost 5601 to access the Kibana interface. You may see an introductory screen on your first visit. Simply proceed to click on Get Started. Next, navigate to the Stack Management, select Index Patterns from the Stack Management menu. Click on the Create Index Pattern button. In the Pattern field, enter the name of the index you want to connect to in Elasticsearch. If you're unsure about the index name, you can retrieve it using the command curl-x get localhost 9200/_cat/indices v. After entering the index name, click on Next Step. Kibana will prompt you to select a time field. Choose one from the dropdown if applicable. Finally, click Create Index Pattern to finalize the connection between Elasticsearch and Kibana. Once completed, you can start visualizing your Elasticsearch data within the Kibana interface. Remember to explore Kibana's features for data analysis and visualization to fully leverage your data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.